Why I decided to use Karpenter for Kubernetes Autoscaling. Kubernetes Autoscaling is essential for optimizing performance and cost. But traditional methods can be slow and inefficient. That's why I switched to Karpenter. Let's explore why Karpenter is a game changer for Kubernetes Autoscaling. The challenge of Kubernetes Autoscaling. Scaling in Kubernetes isn't just about adding more resources. It's about doing it efficiently. Traditionally, autoscaling involves three components. Horizontal Pod Autoscaler, HPA, adjusts the number of pods based on workload. Vertical Pod Autoscaler, VPA, optimizes CPU and memory for individual pods. Cluster Autoscaler, CA, adds or removes nodes based on pod demand. While HPA and VPA help manage workloads at the pod level, Cluster Autoscaler is responsible for node provisioning. But it has its limitations. Problems with Cluster Autoscaler. Many teams, including mine, face these common issues with Cluster Autoscaler. Slow scaling. Takes minutes to provision new nodes, causing delays. Fixed instance types. Can't dynamically select optimal instance types. Resource wastage. Leads to over-provisioning, increasing costs. Limited spot instance support. Not optimized for cost savings. These challenges led me to look for a better solution. Karpenter. What is Karpenter? Karpenter is a next-generation Kubernetes autoscaler designed to solve these problems. Unlike Cluster Autoscaler, it communicates directly with cloud providers, enabling faster and smarter scaling decisions. Instant node provisioning reduces wait times and improves responsiveness. Smart resource allocation selects the best instance type for each workload. Optimized for spot instances, saves costs by prioritizing cheaper resources. Works across cloud providers, supports AWS, GCP, Azure, and more. Automated cleanup, removes underutilized nodes to prevent waste. Why I switched to Karpenter after struggling with traditional autoscaling. I made the switch to Karpenter. Here's why. Faster node provisioning. Karpenter provisions new nodes within seconds, reducing downtime and improving application performance. Dynamic resource allocation. Instead of using predefined instance types, Karpenter picks the best instance based on real-time needs. Cost optimization with built-in support for spot instances. Karpenter helps reduce cloud bills significantly. Multi-cloud support. Whether you're using AWS, GCP, or Azure, Karpenter integrates seamlessly for optimized scaling. Automated scaling and cleanup. Karpenter not only scales up efficiently but also removes unused nodes, ensuring cost-effectiveness. Simpler configuration. No more managing complex autoscaling groups. Karpenter makes setup and management easier. How Karpenter transformed my Kubernetes workloads. Since adopting Karpenter, my Kubernetes environment has seen a huge improvement in efficiency, speed, and cost savings. Here's what changed. No more waiting for nodes to provision. Workloads start running immediately. Optimized resource utilization. Right-sizing instances for every workload. Reduced cloud costs. Spot instance optimization cuts expenses. Less manual intervention. Autoscaling is truly automated. If you're managing Kubernetes in the cloud, Karpenter is a must-try. Should you use Karpenter if your Kubernetes workloads require fast and efficient autoscaling? Cost optimization with spot instances, simpler management, and automation. Schedule free meeting at Kubeify. Today.